Imagine a world where everyone is super rich. Wealth is no longer a distinguishing factor, but a common denominator. Would we still have the same motivations, or would our goals shift? In this affluent utopia, money would lose its primary function. The concept of rich and poor would vanish, leaving us to find new ways to measure success. Perhaps we'd value innovative ideas, kindness, or creativity instead. But what about resources? Even with all the money in the world, we can't create more land, water, or clean air. Would we see a shift in focus towards sustainable living and conservation? Then there's the question of work. If everyone's rich, who would perform essential services that keep society running? Would we automate everything, or perhaps rotate responsibilities? In this world, our relationships with each other and our planet would fundamentally change. It's a fascinating thought experiment, isn't it? Ponder on that, and we'll dive deeper next.